everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplus.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. And the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are compare temperatures above and below zero, then convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then we'll start the new chapter that is one variable inequality, and the lessons are solutions to inequality and solve one step inequalities. Why still it is showing grade 5 lesson name? Here it is grade 6. What's wrong with this one? I'm on grade 6 math. Let's just start with the lesson unit of measurement. Here it is. And the lesson is compare temperature above and below zero. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson. At 7 p.m., the temperature was 23 degrees Celsius. At 10 p.m., the temperature was 16 degrees Celsius. Did the temperature rise or fall? Basically, here the temperature is Celsius, right? So 16 degree is cooler and 23 degree is hotter, right? So at 7 is 23, right? And then at 10 p.m. that was 16 degree. That means from hot to cool it is. That means so the temperature fell, right? This is not a right temperature fell. Yes, it is grade 6 math. Something wrong with the name. You can see here everything is properly edited, but still it is showing grade 5 math. Here it is. I have the lesson name. Don't worry. That is session, but there is no why still it is showing grade 5 math. But I have here the title is already edited. So don't worry. Okay, the next one is Charlie recorded a room temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and Venus recorded a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Did Charlie record a temperature that was warmer or cooler? Okay, Charlie recorded 24 degrees Celsius, right? Celsius and Venus recorded 18. So 24 degrees Celsius is hotter than 18, right? So the question is, did Charlie record a temperature that was warmer or cooler? That was warmer, right? Let's just start with the tens. Okay, the next one is the temperature was 4 degrees Celsius in Westford. In Richmond, the temperature was 33 degrees Celsius. In which city the weather is warmer? Which is the correct option? The weather in which city was the weather warmer? Which is the correct option? 4 degrees Celsius is cooler temperature, right? And 33 degrees Celsius is hotter one. The question is, in which city was the weather warmer? So obviously Richmond has the warmer weather. The correct option is Richmond. Very good. The next one is, Dina recorded a temperature of 81 degree Fahrenheit and Mimi recorded a temperature of 17 degree Fahrenheit. Did Mimi record a temperature that was warmer or cooler? Which is the correct option? Cooler? The unit here, the temperature. I think that is warmer because you have a temperature in Celsius that is different between both the. Uh, yes, 17 is cooler. Okay. Paula recorded a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius and Carter recorded a temperature of 3 degrees Celsius. Who recorded a cooler temperature? Which is the correct option? Very good. Carter recorded the cooler temperature. 3 degrees Celsius is cooler than 32. Hugo recorded a temperature of 6 Celsius and Ein recorded a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Did Ein record a temperature that was warmer or cooler? Which is the correct option? Ein recorded a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, right? That means 40 is warmer temperature. The correct option is very good, warmer. Diane recorded a temperature of 7 degrees Celsius and Helga recorded a temperature of 9 degrees Celsius. Who recorded a cooler temperature? This is grade 6, ma'am. Something wrong with the lesson name. Everything. Okay, the next. At 7 a.m., the temperature was 4 degrees C. At 4 p.m., the temperature was 7 degrees C. Did the temperature rise or fall? Which is the correct option? Yes, the temperature rises. The correct option is rise. There is a rise in the temperature. At 9 p.m., the temperature is 17 At 11 the temperature was 14 degrees Celsius. Was it warmer or cooler at 11 p.m.? At 11 p.m. it is cooler. The correct option is cooler, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, convert the temperature from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Use the formula below. So whenever you have to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you use the same formula, that is F minus 32 times 5 over 9, right? For example, here you have in the Celsius Fahrenheit it is 194. So just replace the F with 194, right? Here it is. 194 minus 32 is 162. Multiply 162 times 5 and divide by 9. So that means 194 Fahrenheit equals 90 degree Celsius, right? Just start with the test questions. Okay, how many degrees Celsius is 41 degree? F, use the formula. You are given the temperature in Fahrenheit, you have to convert it into Celsius. Also, you are given the formula, just put up the value, replace the F with 41. So, hello, can you hear me now? Okay, hello. Okay, here is the question we're working on. You have to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? So here is the formula you use to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. That would be 9 by 5 times C, and you need to add 32, right? What we are already done. C is 70. Half equals 9 by 5 times 70 plus 32. What do you mean by we have already done? What you have already done? Okay, that is 9 times 7 is 630 over 5 plus 32. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times 6 is 30. That is 126. So just add 8, 5, 158. That means the correct option is 158 degree Fahrenheit, right? Just put up the value in the formula, do the calculations. The correct option is 158 degree Fahrenheit, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, now you have to convert. Use your notebook and pencil, convert and write the answer in the chat box. How to convert degrees Celsius is 203 degree Fahrenheit. Use the formula below. So which is the correct option? Just put up the values in the formula and do calculations, right? Use your notebook and pencil. That is 203 minus 23 is 203 minus 23. That is 180. 20 time 203 minus 32. That is 171. 171 times 5 is 855, and 855 divided by 9 is 95. It is the correct option is 95. I didn't accidentally named it grade 5. I did grade 6. There is something technically wrong. That's why you can see here it is grade 5. It is grade 6, but there's something wrong with the lesson name. I don't know why. I added lesson name properly, but that's still it is showing grade 5 on the mistakes. You convert the temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. No one is doing the questions on your notebook even. I don't know how you guys can do maths without your notebook and pencil. Where is your notebook and pencil? How you do practice questions without notebook and pencil? Convert the temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Use the formula below. You have to convert from 65 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So just replace the C with the value that is 9 by 5 times 65 plus 32. 13 times 5 is 65, right? And 13 times 9 is 100. Hello, can you hear me now? Yes, you guys can hear me now. Okay, how many degrees Celsius is 68 degree F? The correct option is 20 degree Celsius. The correct option is 20, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So basically, we're done with the chapter unit of measurement. We're going to start the new chapter now, that is one variable inequalities, right? We are done with the chapter unit of measurement. We're going to start the new one, that is one variable inequalities. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is one variable on the chapter one variable inequalities. Solutions to inequalities, right? So if A equals, inequality means the ones in which the less or greater than sign involved, right? What is inequality? The expression including less than, greater than, or less than, equal to, or greater than equal to sign, right? That is the inequalities, right? To find the solution of the inequalities. For example, you have the first example is a is less than equal to 10. You have to see if a equals 10 is the solution, right? So replace the a with 10. So 10 is less than equal to 11. 10 is less than 11, not equal, right? That means it is true. If one of them is true, if it is either less, that means that it is true, right? So it is true. Let's just start with the test questions. 10 is the solution of the inequality, right? Okay, is 10 t equals 8 a solution of the inequality below? So just replace the t with the value. The inequality is t is less than 10, so replace the t. Now you have to see, is this the solution? 8 is less than 10. True or false? Eight is less than 10. That is true, right? That means yes, it is the solution of the inequality. The correct option is yes. Got it? Okay, if is m equals 1 is the solution of the inequality below, which is the correct option? 4 is less than equal to 1. Yes or no? The correct option is 4 is, why no? Yes, sorry, 4 is not less than 1. So the correct option is no. 4 is not the, 1 is not the solution of the inequality. Sorry, 4 is less than, but 4 is not less than. False it is. Okay, is f equals 11 a solution of the inequality below? F6 is less than f. Is it yes or no? 6 is less than 11. Yes, it is. The correct option is yes. Okay. Is y equals 7 a solution of the inequality below, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes. 7 is less than 10. The correct option is yes. Okay. Is h equal to a solution of the inequality below, which is the correct option? 7 is less than 2. No. H equals to is not the solution of the given equation, right? Is C equals 11 a solution of the inequality below? No, it is, right? 11 is not less than 7. Is n equals 12 a solution of the inequality? The correct option is no, right? Okay, the next one is d equals 5 as is d equals 5 a solution to the inequality below, which is the correct option? 5 is greater than equal to 3. Yes, it is. The correct option is yes, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, right? They are very, very easy. I think all of you know how to solve them. So let's just move on to that is solve one step inequalities. Okay, solve for D. D is less than equal to 1 plus 9. So you have to isolate the variable. That means variable must be on one side and rest of the things are on the other side. But here you already have D alone, right? You need to add 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. If you have some number with D, you need to move it to the other side, right? Their variable is already isolated, right? Isolated means on the one side you just have a variable. Okay, k is greater than equal to 2 times 2, which is the correct option. which is the correct option. You just have to do 2 times 2, right? Variable is already isolated. You can see on the one side you just have a variable. You just have to solve. So that is k is greater than 4, right? Option number 3 is the correct option. K is greater than equal to 4. Okay, solve for D, which is the correct option. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the correct option is D is less than 10, right? The correct option is option number 2D is the less than 10. Solve for T, which is the correct option. The correct option is T is greater than equal to 10. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Very good. Okay, solve for G, which is the correct option. Yes, that is G is less than 9. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, solve for V, which is the correct option. That is V Hello. Okay, yes, you can hear me. Yes, we are almost done. Actually, you cannot hear me. That's why I'm trying to fix the problem. Okay, so here is solve for f. F is less than equal to 2 times 2. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 times 2 equals 4. So f is less than equal to 4 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is solve for c. C is greater than equal to 8 divided by 4. Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is c is greater than equal to 2. Right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math, the chapter we were working. We have started with the chapter unit of measurements, and the lessons we have covered from the chapter are um, compare temperatures above and below zero. Then we did convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then we have started the new chapter, that is one variable inequalities, and the lessons we have covered is solutions to inequalities and solve one step inequalities, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, right? So if you have any question related to the lessons we just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. Yes, we are done. If you still have any question, you can ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.